missing on the mountains in the storm.
Gareth is missing on the mountains in the storm.
Gareth was with the children. They must be up there too. We'd better take Sutton. It's too stormy for Tom's helicopter. I'm calling the station. There's only one thing strong enough to move this tree.
Will anyone find us, Grandad?
Don't worry, James. I'm sure we'll be rescued soon.
Okay, Phoenix. You can do this. Easy does it. Ah! Come on, Phoenix, let's get out of here.
Hold it there, Penny.
If you're stuck, give him a shout. He'll be there to help.